All right, we are working on problem number 5 on the Geometry Chapter 8, Part 2, Imposter Test. This is a story problem. I do have the diagram here for you to use. This is roofer props the ladder against the wall so the top of the ladder reaches a 30-foot roof that needs repair. And so you can see this here. This is the house right here. And that's the roof right here. Here's the roof. And notice I went ahead and labeled, we've got a 30-foot height up to the roof. It also says that the angle of elevation from the bottom of the ladder to the roof is 55 degrees. So the ladder to the roof, that angle of elevation is 55 degrees. That's why that angle is right there. The angle of elevation is above a horizontal line. How far is the ladder from the base of the wall? So we want to know how far the ladder is from the base. So from the base of the wall is here. Here's the ladder. So this is what we're looking for. All right, so from this angle, this 30 feet is the opposite side of the triangle. This X right here is adjacent to this angle, and it's not the hypotenuse, so we're going to call it the adjacent. So we have the opposite and the adjacent. The only trig function that uses the opposite and the adjacent is our tangent. Tangent uses the opposite and the adjacent. Tangent of the angle equals the opposite over the adjacent. And so here we have our problem set up. Now to solve this, when the variable is in the denominator, I can use a shortcut where this tangent 55 trades places with this x that's down here. So I'm going to put the x on this side. 30 doesn't move. Tangent 55 goes down here. So on my calculator, this is what I'm going to plug in. 30 divided by the tangent of 55. Let's grab my calculator, clear that out. And 30 divided by the tangent of 55 equals 21.006. So if I round this off, it's going to round off to 21.0. So this length is 21.0 feet. Don't forget the feet since it's a story problem. Or you could just put 21 feet. I'm fine with either one of those. And that is our answer to problem number 5.